Former Congress MLA from Sohiong constituency, D R Lyngdoh, had formally joined the United Democratic Party at a function that was held on the 29th of June 2022 at Sohiong. The former Congress MLA was welcomed into the fold by the state UDP President Metbah Lyngdoh in the presence of the General Secretary of the party, Jemino Mawthoh, MLAs and MDCs of the party. Along with him, his family members also joined the UDP. It may be mentioned that on the same day, the gathering also greeted the new party member on his 67th birthday.
Morbet walam Jemino Mawthoh Farbes kurba Class 2 manik sun Storian wang Hitral el nonglai Walambok nongrum Justin Lyngdoh